the Silicon Valley for textiles in Taiwan. Taiwan's textile industry is equipped with comprehensive industrial clusters and an integrated supply chain from upstream to downstream segments actively engaged in global deployment. It provides flexible production, quick responses, and customized services. Known internationally for its innovative technology, Taiwan's textile industry not only implements strict product inspection and quality control and practices sustainability, but also strives toward automation and intelligentization. Thus, Taiwan can be called the Silicon Valley for textiles. With abundant innovative R&D capacity and design ability, Taiwan's plentiful textile talents and teams are fully capable of generating creative ideas and developing multi-application products. Taiwan is an indispensable partner for international brands. Climate change has damaged the global environment. Practical actions are taken by the industry to protect nature, conserve resources, and reduce pollution. Recycle and reuse practices are employed to create circular models for sustainable, continuous development. With the development of IoT and AI, Taiwan's high-tech advantages are incorporated to keep in step with Industry 4.0. In wearable smart textiles, to enhance buyers' experiences and create a new smart and healthy lifestyle, AR and VR interactive technologies are utilized. Athleisure and fashion, outdoor and sports, home and lifestyle, medical and protective, technical and industrial. Taiwan offers a multitude of textiles for a variety of applications to meet the needs of a diversity of lifestyles. Taiwan's textile industry will continue to innovate, research, and develop green and functional products and build sustainable value chains to create endless possibilities for the comfort of our lives. Taiwan, the new Silicon Valley of the global textile industry.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Evan. Welcome to Innovative Textile Materials Online New Product Launch. This event is organized by the Taiwan Textile Federation. Taiwan Textile Federation is organized by the Bureau of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Economic Affairs to implement the Textile Export Promotion Project. This project is to select the premium textile suppliers and promotes their innovative and sustainable products through the majors of trade mission, exhibitions, and the new product launch like today. With the diversity of talent pool, innovative research and design capacity, and the competitive new brands, Taiwan Textile Federation has already been considered as one of the most trusted partners around the world. Today is the first day of two-day Innovative Textile Materials Online New Product Launch. It's my great pleasure to introduce you our three prestigious firms. They are Shin Textile Industrial Company, Ecofriendly Technology, and 4 Elements Energy Biotechnology Company. Ladies and gentlemen, no further ado. Enjoy! Do you like to eat fish? Yes. But what do you do with the fish scale? Now you can wear it on. We are now making the fish scale as the ocean collagen and make it into the yarn and become the next product you are going to choose, the humor film. It's just like a normal textile, but with moisture, eco-friendly, skin-friendly, soft and comfortable, and also odor control. Wow, what kind of material it is? Ladies and gentlemen, the world is changing and we are going to move in together to the next step. Therefore, I'm going to introduce you the next product, humor film, from the Humor Film Technology Taiwan, and give you more nature and more comfortable.
Hello, this is Janice Lee from Humor Film Technology. I'm the marketing director who is in charge of the Humor Film brand. Today is my honor to share about the story of Humor Film Technology. So first, let's share about the trend right now, because we know that now in the environment that we have a limited resource, but we have more pollution and more waste. And because of the COVID-19, that our lifestyle has also changed. We have developed more product to overcome the epidemic. So actually, Humerfield bionic fiber is born under the needs of the daily life. Before I have more sharing with you, I would like to share about a video to represent the Humerfield technology. From food waste to the textile material, actually for Humerfield technology, we have a base on the circular economy concept via supermolecular technology to upcycle the food waste, which is the fish scale, and to via the supermolecular technology to combine the collagen peptide with the textile material to create a new kind of functional fiber, which is very soft and also UV protection, natural odor control. And because of its the new method of the procedure, it is washable without losing the functionality. For Humerfield, actually, is a combination of two words. Humer is the Latin language. It means moisture. Field is from French. It means young. So moisture material actually is Humerfield. From 2012, we have developed our first rayon type, which the brand is Beauty Fiber. And from 2015, we have entered the filament segment. We have developed the polyester type, which is Humerfield T. And we have both filament and the staple polyester fiber. From 2017, we have the nylon type, which we call the N6U, which means the nylon 6 by Humerfield technology. Because we want to create a very skin-friendly fiber brand, so all of the Humerfield collections have passed the medical level of the skin irritation and sensitization testing, which the standard is from ISO 10993. So that's why we can say it's very skin friendly, but also with other functionality like natural odor control, UV protection, and because it's upcycled from the food waste, so it also can be cleaned as a very eco-friendly material. And all of the functionality have passed and approved by the third party. And also that Humerfield is the only textile fiber in the world that have passed and get the HALA certificate. So you can imagine that Humerfield, very soft, like this kind of material, actually is very suitable for all kinds of base layer application. So for babies and for maternity product, we also have one product that is recommended by dermatologists during the treatment of atopic dermatitis and the base fabric. And I cannot imagine any material that is more suitable than Humorfil to doing for the accessories. Like something now is very popular, like for the face mask, also for eye mask, for towels, and for scarves. We even have the stocking product that is cleaned by the tester that can keep more moisture for the leg. And not to mention about the inner wear and even for the shopping wear. And for the home textile, it's also very suitable. Humorfil have been developed like for the bedding sheets, the mattress ticking, the protective pad, also for the button and for the functional denim. We have one brand is from Edwin, Japan, and the customer have a comment. He said, "It wear like looks like denim, but wear is very comfortable. It's like wearing the pajamas." And also for the shoes material, because of its functionality and also for the eco concept. And we also have a very huge growth in the active wear, especially for the golfing and for yoga clothes. Humorfil has been involved many interesting marketing events in the world. From 2015, we have been invited by Milano Expo for the Textile food exhibition. And also we have won 2 times the silver medal for the Conquer Lapin in Paris. And we have been selected by LVMH Group for the Eco Material Library from 2016. And also in Taiwan, that for the Taiwan Design Week, we have represent a mermaid concept dress to explain about our concept that is doing a very good for the ocean marine ecology. And also for the Dutch Fashion Sustainable Week, we are also there. To provide Humorfil, actually we need a very good partner with us. So from the spinners to fabric mills to garment makers, we have many excellent partners to work with Humorfil. And also we have a very excellent certificate procedure to ensure the quality and also to support for the global marketing. I think above is what I want to share with all of you. And if you have more, want to know more information, you can check our website.
Hello, Janice.
Hi, Ivan.
Hi, we are so happy to have Janice here with this all products. Girls will get crazy with the clothes, with moisture and anti-UV up to 400. But the audience cannot feel the moisture. How can we show them?
Okay, because you know now more and more people are sensitive skin and like atopic dermatitis. So I would like you to try on your hand.
Okay, my arms here.
Yes.
It's all yours.
Okay.
Okay.
So you can feel about the moisture and the softness of it. But we
really
maybe need to wait about 2 to 3 minutes and we can talk something more. Okay.
Yeah, sure. But you know, when you wear it on, actually I feel a little bit cool.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. It's
that's,
real.
that's normal because you know the water will bring you the coolness.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
okay.
it's fish scale.
Yes.
Okay. So I have a question. Why fish scale? Why? You love fish?
Not that much as my founder, because the founder of our company, James Ho, actually his background is for the textile industry and also for the biology. So he wants, in the beginning of the textile business, he wants to create a new fiber material that can really help about our daily life. And the background is because of he and his little son. They all have the problem of the atopic dermatitis. That's why.
A lot of people have it.
Yes, yes. But do you know actually the reason of the atopic dermatitis is in their DNA, the lack of the moisture.
Oh, really?
Really, yeah.
Wow. News.
So like for human field fiber, because its moisture rate is higher than the regular material, so it can keep like the interface, the moisture rate of your skin.
Okay, so my left arm will be prettier than my right.
Yeah, after
a
few minutes, yes.
Okay, and you just mentioned about sensitive skin, so you have the solution. But can you give us the exact example and maybe with some reference?
Yeah, so that's why we have doing for the medical level testing.
Oh, medical level testing.
Actually, it's by the third-party lab. It's called the ISO 10993 standard.
Wow.
So we have passed for the skin irritation and also for sensitization testing.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why we can claim it's real skin friendly.
Yeah, and any real example that our consumer or our customer can try and buy?
Yeah, of course. For example, like this one is one of our Japan customer, and they are doing this is for the skin to wear over the night.
Yes.
So it can make your like leg more beautiful and shaping. But this one is a new collection. It's a rich care collection, and it has mentioned the number because it have test compared to their previous product. It has increased about 30% of the moisture rate compared to the previous product.
30%
Yes,
keep
30%.
the moisture on your surface.
That's right.
So we
Yeah.
are now living in a environment, and also we are going to the aircon area for that often. So we need to keep the moisture. And the next question is, we are not just with this environment problem, but also pandemic.
Yes.
With the COVID-19, a lot of people
That's
is
true.
inventing and created the new protective products.
Yes.
Can Humorfill apply it on this kind of products?
Yeah, of course. I think this is a very good question because now many we wear like a mask every day, but for the regular mask, actually many people say their face skin feel less comfortable and they will feel itchy sometimes.
And
so
red.
yeah, so one of example is we have more and more customer that are making for the washable mask, and it also bring more eco concept because if you throw away about the mask every day, it also costs a lot of waste and garbage. So like this one, they have their filter layer inside, but in the skin touch side they are using the Humorfill.
Oh.
So you can wearing the beauty also in the face.
Wow, so it's washable, but also to keep the moisture on your
Yes.
face and also anti-UV is very important.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so any other applied function?
Of course, like now many people are doing the inner wear. So like for yoga, it's very popular. So for like a bra top or the leggings, actually for webbing is also a very important application.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
this is very useful. No more.
it's very comfortable.
So
Yes.
comfortable, just like this. I actually hold myself. Don't touch it because you can't stop
But you cannot help it. Yes.
I can't help it.
And also for like a eye mask, yeah, you wear it. It's very comfortable because now people have a more like a pressure.
Oh,
in the daily
sleeping
life.
problem.
Yes, we want to have a more soft and even we can like a comfort about our heart.
Yes.
This kind of textile material is a trend.
Wow. So I heard it's 1 second left.
Yeah.
Okay.
Also for the shoes.
Okay.
We also
Wow.
like develop for the shoes. The inside is also for Humorfill polyester, so you can feel the comfortable, but also keep the functionality inside.
Wow, amazing. From top to the toes.
Yes, that's right.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to witness the magic.
Yes.
Okay.
That
Actually,
see.
it's quite comfortable.
Yes.
I don't want to turn it off. And wow.
Do you see the difference?
Yes, it's zuru.
Yeah, it's real more moisture.
Smooth.
Yes.
It's very smooth
Yeah.
with my left arm. Not a very big differences, but because we are not wearing it too long and we didn't do any skincare, but just like this, it will be more moisture than my right arm. Amazing!
Yeah,
Thank you.
so I think you need to keep this one for you,
thank
right?
you. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Janice, for coming
Yes,
here.
thank you,
And ladies
Yvonne.
and gentlemen, if you're looking for a nice product with moisture and a lot of different functions, important is eco-friendly, skin-friendly, you have to come to
Humorfield.
The next product we are going to introduce you is the high-tech textile. It's from the 4 Elements Energy Biotechnology Company. The founder, Mr. Kuo, was inspired by Mr. Stephen Jobs and the liquid metal. He's a pioneer on using the semiconductor technology into the textile industry. The liquid metal can increase the conductivity function of heat and also with antivirus, antibacterial, anti-UV, and also odor control. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for the super eco-friendly products. Now we are going to introduce you 4 Elements.
Hi, I'm Jessica from 4 Elements. Before I present our product line, allow me to have a short introduction about our company. So people might ask how we got the motivation to start up this company. Actually, it started with the outbreak of SARS in 2003. All of a sudden, Taiwan got into a panic due to this new virus. Our founder, Tony, noticed it's a trend to bring antibacterial and antiviral concept into our daily life. And only by creating an environment that is non-toxic is the best way to protect human and to have happiness. And after 6 years of developing with doctors master in photoelectric field, our own brand Talon Yarn was launched in 2009, which is in the same year of H1N1. Until now, our business structure includes master batch, yarns, fabrics, and additive. So, what's the specialty about our company? We inspired by a smartphone technique called liquid metal and adopt the liquid metal to textile industry. We embed nano zinc and other trace elements into liquid metal and mix liquid metal with master batch. And then we draw the yarns from the master batch. This way can make functions long-last, durable for repeating wash, and reduce the powder grinding defect. So why we chose zinc? We picked zinc to replace silver in order to reach the same qualified test results and to avoid toxic concerns. So its function includes antibacterial, antiviral, antistatic, anti-UV, and odorless. Zinc can efficiently prevent the growth of bacteria and inhibit the odor. Even the sun cream is also made by zinc oxide. Therefore, it supplies zinc to human body, which can promote healing and growth. We sent our yarns to ITS for a REACH test. What is REACH test? It's a European regulation listing the substances of very high concern, and our yarns already got non-toxic approval from the REACH. We also sent our liquid metal to SGS for antiviral test. This is conducted by SGS Japan. And after a 2 hours test, it indicated an excellent efficacy. As you can see on the scene, the antiviral activity value of the standard is 2.3, and our liquid metal is 4.2, which is much better than the original. So customers might concern the functions to the yarns will eliminate after frequently wash. But the truth is, the more times you wash, the better efficacy it shows. Because the filament become fluffy and zinc can expose more to fight against bacteria. The second benefit of our yarn is non-chemical. Our process of liquid metal is all preceded by physical way. The third benefit is low maintenance, and most of our yarns have stock. I think this is pretty important for RD team to start a new development. So 4 Elements specialize in multifunctional yarns. One of our latest product, iMyDrive, increase the zinc concentration and embed 70 elements, including titanium, silicon, aluminum, etc., which can be antibacterial, anti-UV, odorless, and far infrared. Through the Brownian motion of these trace elements, it can balance your body and mind and enhance human immunity. So imagine our customers wear our textile to go hiking. It can keep the bacteria outside of their skin. And they can just wash the clothes once or twice a week due to the odorless function. So which is really, really convenient for our customers to go outdoor activities. So another product I want to share with you is antibacterial dub dye yarn. I guess most of you know dyeing process severely damage our planet. But do you know what percentage of chemicals utilized in textile industry? About 20 to 25%. Do you know what percentage of chemicals utilized in textile dyeing process in the world? The answer is 20 to 25%. Dub dye yarn significantly reduce chemicals utilized in textile industry, and lots of water and energy can be saved as well. Furthermore, we upgrade dub dye yarn with antibacterial function by nanozinc. This way can efficiently shorten the bulk lead time, decrease the frequency of air conditioner using by regulating body temperature, decrease chemical utilization in textile industry, create a non-toxic environment. All these eco-friendly features can be found in 4 Elements. So at the end of the presentation, I invite you to join in 4 Elements family to fight against bacteria and virus in a eco-friendly way. Thanks for your time, and if you have any question or requirement, please feel free to let us know.
It's 4 Elements Science time. Hello, Jessica.
Hi, Evan.
Hi, Jessica is coming here with a very special experiment. So what is that?
So I'm going to show you a little test with this far infrared light box.
And now what I have is what Jessica just mentioned, the iMyDrive fabric here. And what do you have?
And this is normal polyester fabric.
Okay, now we are going to put them into the box and turn on the light.
So the right one is our normal polyester.
Okay. And the left one is the iMyDrive. So usually how long does it take to, raise it up, the temperature?
Okay, so it's gonna take 20 to 30 seconds.
20 to 30 seconds, okay.
So let's turn it on and let's see what's happened.
Okay, so we have 30 seconds. Jessica, could you share more about iMyDrive to us?
So iMyDrive is a multifunctional yarn, which includes antibacterial, anti-UV, fire-infrared, and odorless.
Wow.
Yeah.
And with all this function, it's non-chemical inside, right?
Right.
Okay, so since it's non-chemical inside, how long does it could last? Maybe 100 time cleaning?
Actually, it can last forever.
Forever?
Yes.
No way. How?
Because we embed nano elements to liquid metal.
Oh.
And this is our liquid metal.
Can I hold it?
Sure.
Oh wow, it's really heavy. I thought it's just water. No, it's liquid metal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we combine the liquid metal with master beige.
Ah.
And then we draw the yarns from the master beige.
Cool. And in the meanwhile, wow, the temperature is up to 53. In case we get on fire, so maybe we just turn off the lights for a second, and it will start to dropping down the temperature, and we will come back later to see what's gonna happen here. Okay. And we just mentioned about how long would it last with all this function, right? And we just mentioned that it's non-chemical with the liquid metal, right? So could you share us more?
Okay, so because this is physical waste, so it can last long forever, and there's non-chemical finish here. Yeah.
Oh, and so when I washing it and the whole texture is getting loosened.
Oh yes.
Yeah, and
so our zinc can expose more to the air, so they can fight against bacteria. Like more people, and we can fight against bacteria more.
Oh, that means when you buy this kind of clothes, the more you move, the healthier you will get. Cool. And what are you going to show us?
Okay, so I'm going to show you another one.
Oh wow, so many
dope dye
colors.
yarn.
This dope dye yarn. Cool.
And we also upgrade our dope dye yarn with antibacterial function.
Wow. And I have a very important question for everybody. You know, if I have a beautiful design and I need 3 of the colors inside of this sample, and how long should I wait for my sample coming out? And also, what is my minimum order?
Okay, so it's gonna take 3 days to get your yarns.
3 days?
Right.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Wow, 3 days. You get a record. Okay, and what about my minimum order?
Okay, so the minimum is about 30 kilogram.
30 kilogram. Okay.
Yeah.
Another question. If I have a very special color, it's tailor-made color, never is it in the world. And how long should I wait, and what is my minimum order?
Okay, so if customized color, it take about 1 month to get your yarn.
1 month?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Right.
Okay, we have the evidence.
Yeah.
Okay,
I promise.
Okay, thank you for promise that. And about the minimum order?
Okay, so for the minimum order, it's about 300 kilogram.
Wow, ladies and gentlemen, you can't find this kind of deal in the whole world. Wow, and we'll go back to our experiment. Now the temperature is dropping down, but it's still...
So now iMyDrive is 42, and the right one is our normal pulley is 38. So it can keep warm efficiently.
Okay, so no matter what, if you wear this kind of clothes, and you can get into a room and get warm
all the day.
Yeah, I was trying to say fast. Good, right, thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in our products, the dope dye yarn and the iMyDrive, you're going to find
4 elements.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's magic time! In every single day, we have created a lot of trash and pollution due to our beautiful outfit and the textile we use every day. And it's about time to take the actual action and dress like a responsible human being, be kind and nice to our environment. Today, we are going to introduce you the magic yarn, biodegradable yarn. It's about to make some difference to the world and our offspring. So ladies and gentlemen, now welcome our presenter, Zoe, from the Shin Textile Industrial Company from Taiwan.
Hello everyone, this is Zoe from Shin. This is my second time doing online presentation this year, and the first time I was acting like a zombie. This time, the second time, I hope I can be more normal. And I really hope the pandemic can be ended very soon, because talking to a camera is not an easy job. Okay, let's get started. I'll start with the company introduction first, and then we will go to product introduction and certification. Our company was established in 2013 with a capital of $15 million US, and we were going public last year in 2019. And we are a yarn maker, and our main product is DTY and ACY. Our headquarters is in Taipei, and our manufacturing site is in Zhanghua, the central Taiwan. Here is a glance of our manufacturing site. The production capacity is 2,200 tons a month. The number of employees is 200. And here is our manufacturing facility. And now I'm going to talk about our products. And I'll start with BES, our biodegradable enhancement solution, and then our all-weather series, and followed by our CAC, our Cellulose Aztec Comfort. BES is our biodegradable enhancement solution. It is a solution which can be treated as regular polyester yarn, and it can also be circled back to the general recycle loop, because the very first step of recycle is to recycle the virgin material. And our first version of BES is the virgin version, so there is no problem for recycle. And the biodegradability is verified by ASTM D5511 for the landfill and ASTM D6691 for the ocean. And the methane generated after degradation can be turned to energy. And this page, you'll see the biodegradation process. Our BES, biodegradable enhancement solution, is to turn hydrophobic polyester into hydrophilic one. And a hydrophilic polyester will go into the landfill, because our theory is those textile products will eventually go to the landfill, because the real recycle for those textile products is to go to the secondhand store. So in the landfill, it is an anaerobic environment. So those hydrophilic polyester will start conducting anaerobic digestion. And the very first step of anaerobic digestion is hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is to break down the molecular chains of the polymer and to make them easier for those different lots of microorganisms to consume them as food. And this is degradation. And after degradation, the production will be water, carbon dioxide, biomass, and methane. And methane is a natural fuel source, and it can also be collected and turned to electricity, and to activate everything which can be powered by electricity. And it is an idea of biodegrade, recycle, and reuse. And here you'll see the latest test result for the landfill. And the biodegradability is 43.6% after 349 days, which means in almost a year time, the biodegradability is almost 50%. And we see this test result as a very positive one. And here is the latest test result for the ocean. And the biodegradability is 19.6% after 234 days. And the reason why we do the test for the ocean is because every day when you wash your clothes, those microparticles may go to the ocean through the sewage system. And we have to make sure that those microparticles will also be biodegraded properly. So that's the reason why we do the test for the ocean. And here comes the most critical question, microparticles. And this is a stage which every way of biodegradation will go through. But the most important thing is how long will it last? According to research, it takes around 450 years for a plastic bottle to be biodegraded naturally. But without solution, the estimated time period will be around 7 to 10 years. And this shows how our BES biodegradable enhancement solution can do to the environment. And again, this is the collection of methane. Methane generated after degradation can be collected and turned to energy. And here is a map shows the locations of the currently operational landfill gas energy projects in the States. It's just for your reference. And here is the specifications available. And now I'm going to talk about graphene under our all-weather series. Graphene is the hardest and the thinnest nanomaterial in the world, and we focus on its premium thermal conductivity. And we do offer different combinations, for example, like moisture management and elasticity. In this page, you'll see the test result of our graphene yarn. And you'll see the blue line here is the graphene fabric, and the orange line here is the regular fabric. And you'll see the heating curve and the cooling curve. And in this graphic, you'll see the performance of our graphene yarn in thermal conductivity. As for the application, if you are cold, we recommend a graphene inner layer, because a graphene inner layer will use human body as a heat source to rapidly transfer the heat to the hold of you to warm you. And if you're hot, we recommend a graphene outer layer, because a graphene outer layer will interact with the environment and help quickly disperse the heat away from you to keep you comfortable. And here is the specification available. The last one is our CAC, our Cellus Aesthetic Comfort. And our CAC gives users ultimate comfort with its greatest hand feel, and its cooling property is your best pal for the hot weather. And the purpose of doing CAC is to enhance the tenacity of the yarn and to widen the purpose of use from luxurious clothing to sportswear, athleisure, casual wear, city wear, etc. And we do offer a different combination under this category. For example, like CAC with moisture management, CAC plus biodegradable enhancement solution, our BES. It is a perfect match for sustainability. And here is the specification available. While we offer eco-friendly products to our customers, we also set up an eco-friendly production process, which we call it LIMIT, L-E-N-T-T. L is for labor, E is for energy, M is for material, the first T is transportation, the last T is time. Labor is to go higher automation and to save the labor force. E is to reduce the electricity consumption and to lessen carbon emission. Material is to use lots of paper to avoid trees being hacked. The first T is transportation, is to decrease the times of transportation and to reduce oil consumption. And the last T is time, is to give proper working hours and to achieve a better work-life balance. And here is the certification. We are an ISO and GRS certified company. And this is my contact detail. You can see my number here, you can see my email here. So please email me, call me, do whatever, reach me, and give me an opportunity to expose more secret to you. Thank you very much for your time, and please take care and stay safe.
Hello Zoe, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again, Even.
It's so happy to have Zoe here to introduce magic yarn. So the magic yarn, the BES, can we extend the life cycle like we recycled it?
Sure. As mentioned previously, it can be circled back to the regular recycle loop, because the very first step of recycle is to recycle the virgin material. And our first version of BES is the virgin version, so there is no problem for recycle. But which means we do have the second version, the recycle version of BES.
Oh, and about BES, what is the linkage of the making process?
It is very important that handling BES, you can do anything, the same thing as you do for regular polyester yarn, yes. Yeah. But the most important thing is do not use pesticide, because our purpose is to attract those different lots of microorganisms to consume the polyester, not to kill them.
Yeah, so we don't use that.
No, don't do that.
Okay, and in the humid and sweltering weather, we actually need a new solution, the cooling fabric. Do you have
Yes.
that?
Yes, of course. We can take a look at the fabric here.
Okay, so this one is the...
This is our CAC, our cellulose
CAC.
acetate comfort. And
It's
try
really
it.
comfortable.
That's right.
So it's not sticky
No.
and it's cool. When you touch it, you feel like the temperature is getting down. Cool.
Yeah.
And about this nice cooling fabric, can it have the additional function plus VS?
Sure. We can, of course, we do have the combination of CAC and BES, and it is a perfect match for sustainability because both of them are biodegradable.
Wow, so it's cool and biodegradable, good for the environment and good for your body. So the last question. I think the audience is very curious about the real function of the textile.
Yeah.
Can we try the elasticity?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, so let me try. The normal, oh wow, it's not normal kind of.
It is a woven fabric,
Yes, but
and you'll
but
see the elasticity.
wow, it's so flexible. The elasticity is so well.
Yes.
Nice. It must be really comfortable to wear it on to do anything like leisure time or sports, even with the suit, right?
Exactly.
Wow, thank you, Zoe, to bring this kind of new next generation product to us.
Thank you
And
very
ladies
much,
and
Eden.
gentlemen, if you like it, you have to find
Shin.
Thank you for watching today's innovative textile materials online new product launch. If you enjoy our video, please like us and subscribe. And if you missed any part of today's video or you want to forward to your friends or rewatch it again, don't worry. Just remember to turn on the little alarm and you will receive the first-hand information from us. And if you want to know more about the products, the textile firms, or even give us some suggestions to improve the future events, please subscribe and also scan the QR code here or click the link. I'll see you tomorrow with more information and the same time. Bye!